Hi guys. So, can we make our own destiny, or is destiny something which is predetermined? Let's contemplate this question. To contemplate this question, let's also figure out what is the nature of reality. A lot of yogis contemplated on it, and finally, I think there is a common point today where science and ancient seers, they both agree that matter is the grossest form of energy or thought, and thought is the subtlest form of matter. So for us to create anything, whether it is a building, whether it is a machinery, whether it is a software program, we have to conceptualize this as a thought in our mind. So essentially, it is our mind which is creator of any matter. So if we really want our own destiny, or destiny as per our wishes, we need to change our mind. We need to align our mind strongly to the thought which would create that reality. So, in a way, we can create our destiny. However, not everything can be done as per our wishes in this universe. So, we all have a certain amount of freedom, but there is also a limit to that freedom, and that limit to that freedom is bound by how much close or aligned we are with the life force. So the more aligned we are with the life force, the larger is the amount of freedom that we can enjoy. Yoga is the art and science of us aligning us more and more with the life force, so that our mind, body, life energy becomes one, and we can take complete charge of our destiny, and we can build our future the way we want it. Thank you.